Welcome back on Cellulare-Magazine.it with Emilio Vignapiano. As you can see, we have the Motorola Dext. It's a French version. The PR just gave this a box. So let's see first of all what is inside. All paper, micro USB cable to sync and to charge. There is also the tag EcoMoto. Motorola is trying to be very ecological and also to save some money. Adapter USB, so you can charge also your other USB gadgets. Headphone stereo, working pretty good, we should say. You have here the microphone, jack 3.5mm. Let's go directly on the phone. The hardware is very solid. In fact, we have the titanium finish for this model, and we really can see and hear. Full Qwerty slide keyboard. You have not the Qwerty, you have the Qwerty, but of course in your country you will have the keyboard that you need. 5-direction joypad, working really sweet. The keyboard is one of the best that we ever tried on an Android phone. Every key is separated. There are also some functions as Alt, the search, space, symbols and back, so you really can command the phone. As you see, also the desktop went landscape and you can browse through the panels. There are 5 panels. Also, it's really a new thing for Android 1.5. This unfortunate phone is still Android 5 because as MotoBlur and Motorola didn't develop yet the 2.0 version with MotoBlur. On the front you have 3 physical keyboard. There is the click that you can hear that goes into the menus that you want. The screen is 3.1 inch, 265,000 color, 62,000 color solid, classical resolution on 320 by 480 pixel, so half VGA phone. On the front you can see also that there is the menu, classical one with this version, but you also have the key to go directly into the phone calls and also a different layout of the phone. Then you also see the contacts that you can sync not only with Google, but you can see also with other service, as you can add new one and you can take from other service like MotoBlur or Exchange server that is connected with MotoBlur, Twitter, Facebook or wherever you're putting in. MotoBlur, you can have some widgets here with your accounts, the message, the meteo. And also MotoBlur is connecting with Facebook, is connecting with Twitter, is connecting with your Gmail. If you have an Exchange, if not, you can just connect from the Gmail account that is on the phone. Yahoo, so all the most used social service, you can have it on MotoBlur. And working pretty good. The email are arriving on time, the Twitter also the updates of Facebook, and you can update your Facebook, your MySpace, your Twitter with just one click from here. Let's go to the other hardware feature. On the right side we have the turning on and off button that is also used to lock and lock the screen. Camera button, the camera it's one and you have it on the back. It's a 5-megapixel camera. Here is branded orange. In Italy we don't have, but we imagine that in France the phone is coming with orange. 5-megapixel camera with autofocus. Let's go also here. You have the pull to remove the battery that works really good, is very helpful. In the Italian box you have a 2GB micro SD. I plugged mine that is 16GB with my photo, my stuff and the SIM card. Here you have also the possibility to expand the GPS. 3.5mm jack for the headphone. On the other side you have the balance of the volume, and then there is a key, a slide key that can help you to turn off and on the ringtone, so you can very easily go in it. It's really like the Trio, we have to say. micro USB to sync and to charge. We already saw the keypad. Let's go inside. It's a classical 1.5 Android phone. On board you have a processor, a Qualcomm 520 MHz that works really fast for a phone like this. It's very balanced. They developed really the software, and so it's really good optimizer. Memory on board is 250 megabyte of RAM and half gigabyte of ROM, micro SD as we saw of expansion. There is the GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 2.0 plus ADR, so no problem with stereo headphone. The audio quality is really good. Let me try. User interface, as you see, it's Android, but it's personalized. Okay, now it's the normal volume, and it's pretty loud also for that. Let's go to the speaker. That comes from here. The sound is good, not excellent when it's very high, but you just going a little bit down, you can have it much easier with a better quality. The battery that is on board is 1420 mAh. That gives you really the juice for 1 day of usage. Very good for an Android phone. The phone is in Italy, already in the market with a very huge price, we have to say, €469, that compared with the other Motorola milestone at $499 with the latest software, and the Nexus One that is also coming in these days on our market at $499 is pretty expensive. I want to show you also the browser. The browser, it's the old one, but it's working much better than the others that we've tried of this version. Unfortunately, you still have no multi-touch here, so to zoom in and zoom out, you have to use these layers. But it's charging the pages really fast, and everything is working pretty good for this browser. Now we are connected with 3G connection. The phone is a quadriband GSM with GPRS and H connection, but also UMTS, HSDPA, 7.2 megabits per second, so pretty good. As you can see, the pages are working really fast. These are heavy pages on our website because the images are very good quality. Let's go back in the menu. Classical services as Google Map, Gtalk, Gmail, the market. You have also MySpace, Quick Office to read documents, YouTube. Unfortunately, there is no flash, so you have to use this way to see the videos of YouTube. Shazam. That's all for CellulareMagazine.it. Emilio Vignapiano with the Motorola Dext.